In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly manage your Wix site and expertly navigate through the Wix editor. Whether you're a beginner setting up your first website or looking to enhance your web design skills, this guide is just what you need. We'll begin by diving into the setup phase. You'll start by visiting manage.wix.com, where you can easily access your site's dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. It's here that you can get an overview of your site's activity, manage settings, and prepare for the creative process that follows. Once you're in the dashboard, it's time to switch gears and head over to the Wix editor. This is accessible via editor.wix.com, your central hub for design and customization. In the editor, you have a myriad of tools at your fingertips to bring your website vision to life. Start by clicking on Add Elements. Think of this as your toolbox, containing everything from text and media to shapes and more. It's the feature that lets you add various components to your web page. Next, we'll focus on images, because as the age-old saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. To begin adding visual elements, click on Add Photos from your computer. This option allows you to enrich your website with unique visuals, helping you create a captivating site that truly reflects your brand or personal style. From here, select Upload from Computer. Ensure your images are ready, organized, and easily accessible on your device. This preparation step not only saves you time, but also streamlines the design process. Now, once your images are uploaded, the next step is crucial. Click on Image, and you'll see a selection of your uploaded photos. Choose the one you want to feature on your page and hit Add to Page. This action places your selected image directly onto your web canvas. After adding the image, it's time for a bit of creativity. Click and drag the image to position it exactly where you want on your page. Adjust the size and layout to match your design vision. Experiment with the alignment and spacing until it looks just right. The freedom to customize at this stage can significantly enhance your site's visual appeal. With your image now perfectly placed, don't forget the final step, saving your work. Start by clicking on Image once more to ensure it's selected, and then hit Save. This action locks in your changes, ensuring that your creativity and effort are preserved and ready for the world to see. And there you have it, a step-by-step walkthrough of adding elements and managing visuals in Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to mastering the tools needed to create a stunning website. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you engage with these tools, the more proficient you'll become. So go ahead, explore your creative potential, and happy designing!